Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the account is active and the SIM or modem is provisioned. This prevents activation errors. Insert the Koodo SIM into the device, power on, and connect to a charger so updates don't fail. Once done, open Settings and locate Mobile Network or Broadband Setup. Make sure you have the last four of the account number and any activation code Koodo provided. These steps get the connection request to Koodo quickly. Don't skip provision checks because activation depends on them. Now you configure the device so the network recognizes it. Navigate to Mobile Network Settings and enter the APN exactly as Koodo specifies, SB. Koodo is common, other fields must match. Username, password, and MCC/MNC when provided. Enable mobile data, and if instructed by Koodo for your plan, enable data roaming, then restart the device to force a fresh registration. For USB modems or home gateways, install drivers or the Koodo Connection app and accept any firmware updates so the hardware can present itself. Finish by verifying the connection. Check signal bars, confirm the carrier reads Koodo, and run a quick speed test to ensure expected performance. If the service isn't active, toggle airplane mode, power cycle the device, or reinsert the SIM. Also try the SIM in a different device to isolate hardware. If problems remain, contact Koodo support and provide the IMEI, last four of the account, and timestamps of your attempts so they can trace provisioning. This one troubleshooting tip often speeds resolution when core steps fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.